on the way to the honing machine. The machine of hone to hone out that. So that we can put this on it. In it, rather.
In it or on it?
In it, through it.
You want to throw it up?
Yep.
That's too small.
So we got a nice set of slightly aged chrome 33.4 millimeter bottom trees.
Where'd you get them from?
From your museum of parts.
My junkyard.
Junkyard, you hear that? It's on.
Shit pile.
It's on tape that I got it from the shit pile. Quote. So we're just going to take off some of the rust that's on the inside.
The latest phrasing was it was a hoarder pile.
Hoarder pile?
Yeah, I think that was the latest phrasing some dumbass left a comment about. So how many people like my hoard pile?
Yeah. We'll find out. We're going to use the chipped up ones because there's space there, so it might just rip it up more.
This is called coarse and this is called fine.
Oh. Oh.
The reason it's broken is because those tear up stones. Because they're uneven. And you don't give a squat about that, so...
Neither do you.
Well, I care about because I don't want to have to buy the stones every time you screw them all up.
Every time I screw them all up, even though he's doing it.
That's right. Because you pull it off the hoard pile. What's all that junk on my fingers?
Grease.
Where'd that come from? Support so then rip it all off my hands.
That's good. Get it all lubed up. Squirting out there.
Spot on that one.
Yeah.
That's a chip down there now.
Cool.
There's a fork.
Right behind you.
Rust or chrome or copper?
Chrome, copper.
It's chrome plated rusty copper.
Oh, look at that. It actually goes on now.
Imagine that.
Brilliant.
Now it's loose. Too much of that rusty chrome copper off. It's not even round either.
That's what pinch bolts are for.
See, someone's in there with a buffer screwing it all up. Walker.
I didn't hit it with a buffer.
You were in there screwing it up. I heard you told me you did it. Look how round that is. It's not even close. Terrible. Okay, now you gotta clean all this junk off, but keep the grease on you. You might need it.
Okay. Let's do it.
All right.
Oh no.
The Walker Mobile.
Why is this thing over here?
Did you put the left on the right and the right on the left?
Gross.
Gross.
Making a mess all over my table.
Oh,
Baby poos.
Oh, that's terrible.
Baby poos.
Look what he did to my table.
So nasty.
Justin's getting in trouble over there. Oh. There's sparks going over there. Nobody has my shirt on anymore. My shirt's a band now. Now we got that and Bob. False advertising. Oh, jeez. They're really getting dangerous. You should use a vice grip for that.
This will do nicely.
The next thing you should do is just cord it right here going that way. That way it doesn't bounce on you. Now turn it the other way. Like that. Can't get straight, put a block under to move it up.
Yeah, I couldn't get it straight. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
So there's a piece of square stuff down there. There you go. Keep the speed up there too.
It's good.
You're going at an angle, so I'm trying to move your elbow up.
Oh, well now it's flat.
I'm trying to finger fuck you. Yeah, it's flat. You're going at an angle.
I think that's good. We'll try that.
Here's the water to cool it with.
Look at that. I think it's all evaporated.
Walker didn't drool in there enough.
Nope.
Walker, your drooling's not enough. It's
No.
dried out.
Spit out.
No, we don't want no spit. We want drool. Are they hot?
Hot.
Stop by the bathroom and cool them. Make sure you put a little paint on them so they don't rust. Or put some oil on them or something.
Look at that.
What's that banging noise I hear? Why is it so loose?
I don't know. That's how, like, no give.
It's supposed to have drag on it.
Right.
So the way you do this is you go this direction here, so you don't have to hold on to it. It's easier. And there's some grunt to it. Don't scratch up my stuff.
Low drag. How much drag do we want?
About 5 pounds worth. Got some drag on it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels gritty bearings you got in there.
Yeah, open bearings.
Yeah, let's see, and grind the races square. Okay, that's good. They're tight.
Cool. Let's see if we go in.
They go in.
Oh, imagine that.
They fit now. How'd that happen?
Look at that.
Where's that? Terrible.
She's doing something though.
You didn't put that chromy crappy top tree on there either.
Look at that.
Could work?
Yep, that'll work.
For sure?
Yep.
Check out that custom headlight bracket.
I'm getting a new one, man.
You don't like that one?
Nope. It's time for something.
You want
new.
chrome now?
No, not chrome. Polished.
Polished.
Yeah.
Polished chrome.
Ooh.
Big ass ape hangers on there.
10-inch.
Did you put that washer underneath the plate thing you were supposed to put in there?
Right there.
Yeah. Is it in there?
Yep.
Okay.
That looks way better already.
I'd put a net up on that before it falls down on your head.
This thing?
No, on the fork. See how the one just dropped? Yeah, one of those.
Whoa.
It's trying to get away from you, isn't it? Are you trying to tighten it or loosen it?
I have no idea anymore.
Well, if it falls off, you didn't go the right way.
That'll work. That way will work.
So when it falls off, it's whose fault?
It's fine.
Good.
Let's just get this one tightened up so it doesn't fall. Oh, fuck yeah. Get it in there. Dude, it's about horchata time.
Is it fighting you?
Yeah, I'm gonna need this.
You didn't scratch my crescent wrench on that chrome fork there, did you? Oh, jeez. Where am I going to buy another one of those at?
What is this?
Why don't you open it up further?
There we go. Get this fucking wire
Okay, if that throttle cable's in the way.
Get that fucking, sorry, get that throttle
You're not-
cable
you're
out
not-
of the way.
You're not sorry, buddy.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. See, that's why you let customers destroy their own shit.
Better that way. Adds character. It's
That's
custom.
right. Customized. Oh, your plate's expired back here.
Good.
You're almost
Because I'm an outlaw.
You're almost 2 years behind now.
Yeah, almost. but I never received any renewal form from the DMV, so I don't know why.
So you don't need one.
Yeah.
You're obviously fine.
Obviously, I'm going to be alright when I go and tell them that. Hey!
They'll go for it, too.
Why the fuck didn't you guys send me that? Yeah, no, get this.
So why
they
is that,
sent, they
why is
sent
that
me
going
a
in so
renewal
tight?
form for my truck that I sold over a year ago.
Oh, you should pay for that. Why do you, why is that going on so tight?
This?
Yeah.
It's not even that tight.
Well, why you having to use the wrench?
There we go. I just want to use it. Makes me feel masculine.
It looks like you're tight to me.
What?
Looks like it's going on there hard.
You're going on there hard. That one's hard.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, they're just like spinning right down with no effort there. You gonna put a real wheel on the front of that thing so you can stop?
No.
Okay.
Stupid idea.
Stupid
I'm
idea.
keeping my the Aramaki front end on there.
You gonna put a tweak bar on that thing so it won't tweak?
What's a tweaker bar?
It's a tweak bar, not a tweaker bar.
It's a tweaker bar. Why is this gonna flex? Are you thinking that those cams that we're gonna put in, like, give it 8,000 more horsepower to just rip this frame apart? Or what?
Yes, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Take those ugly gators off and put a tweak bar on there.
Better shut your mouth.
You have to Google. You have to Google a tweak bar to see what it is.
You're gonna get a whole bunch of people with no teeth
That too.
at a bar.
All right, don't forget to put your pinch bolts in there whenever you get around to tighten up all that junk.
Yeah.
And don't over torque that back bolt on that top tree; you'll just break it off.
Yep, I've seen that shit happen before.
Yeah, I've seen it done too.
And it wasn't me who did it.
You sure?
I'm fucking positive.
Yeah, sure.
Wait. No, it wasn't me.
Yeah,
It happened when I crashed.
someone else did it.
Yeah, well, it was my bike, but I crashed.
Just looked like you.
So, but it wasn't because it was
That's the excuse he's going with. He's staying with it. All right, I'm gonna have some real work done. This is boring. These videos are getting crappy, I was told.
bothering me.
Yeah. You gotta find Walker's bolts. Where's Walker's bolts?
I need rough coarse thread.
Those are 12 points.
But also, I'm gonna need
I got flathead.
I need a tap.
Here's your oval head right here. We don't have what you want.
I need to tap those. I need to clean the threads.
You got to live with a hex bolt.
What?
I
Some up here.
No, okay, use those.
All right. So let's. I need
What are you doing here now?
I need the tap.
You gotta put a fine thread on that coarse bolt?
No, I'm gonna put coarse bolt.
You gotta put a fine tap on the coarse bolt?
I need to clean the threads, dude. I said it 3 times.
Is it coarse or fine? Because you
This is coarse.
Yeah, but what about the frame?
It's not the frame, it's the trees.
How much tree?
Coarse.
I doubt it.
How much you want to make a bet?
They're usually fine. It might be coarse now because somebody stuffed it in the hole.
Nope.
Yep.
This one went in there way easier than the fine thread ones.
Look at that clamp I found on the floor down there.
Mine. Called it.
Yeah, well, these are fine thread stock.
No, they're not.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, do you think that chrome bottom tree is stock? Because I don't, and that definitely looks coarse to me.
Those threads look like they've been butchered by somebody.
They look coarse.
Of course they look like coarse. Someone ran a coarse bolt in them and screwed them all up.
I did it from the other end. See, look.
Imagine that.
They just need to be cleaned.
I don't think they need a tap. I think they need to be replaced. I think you need to go find another front end.
Well, it's not going to fit. Now check it out.
Yeah, but this is the one that came out of the other bike.
Yeah. So, what does it matter?
This one's been butchered because somebody jammed a damn coarse thread in there.
I didn't jam anything in there. It went in easier.
That's because someone has dicked up the damn fork leg. Someone jammed it in there. It should be fine thread. Now it's a universal thread. It takes anything in there.
Well, just jam some JB weld in there. It'll be fine.
JB or weld, that'll work. Alright, those threads are... Someone definitely jammed in the coarse thread bolt into that thing. It's customized it. Alright, where's your bolt?
Which one?
What do you want to use? Where's your wrench?
Right there.
Where?
Right here.
In my bucket? Where'd you get that from?
The bucket.
The bolt appears to be a little short. And considering the threads are all screwed up, I'd make it longer.
Well, I got that from the junk pile.
Junk pile? Would that be the Tatro hoard pile?
Tatro hoard pile is awesome. Junk.
I've heard about that. I've heard about that on the internet someplace. Okay, that looks like about a 1.5 to 1 3/4. So you need to go slightly longer than that. And you probably should put a lock washer on the front of it to make sure it stays tight.
Okay.
That's how Harley did it anyway.
Well, do you have any buttons?
Maybe. Have to ask Justin up there.
I don't know. I can't even find the one that you handed me. I needed 3 more of them. And then
We need a coarse thread.
a course. I need
3/8.
right, because there's a course.
That's a fine piece of hardware there for you. What are you looking for?
Worst case scenario.
Let's see what Walker do. Oh, there's front on the bike. There we go.
Did he get his button head?
I don't know. Oh, that button is
What's he got there? Oh, bottle opener.
nasty ass bolts.